Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tetrified Us, and I'm Madhurima. And today I'm gonna share with you guys my Only haul. I shopped quite a bit from both their stores and online, and I love Only as a brand. Their clothes are of amazing quality and they had some amazing deals going on. Like otherwise Only is quite a bit expensive, but it was quite reasonable for the deals going on. So I have 8 pieces with me right now and I will try them on for you guys. So without any further ado, let's begin the video. So the first piece I got is this blue shirt. How sweet the color is, no? And it's a cropped shirt with a tie-dye detailings below. The fabric is really soft, it's really comfortable to hold, and I got this in the size 36. So let's wear it and see how it looks on me. So yeah, this is the blue shirt. This is how it looks. It's really cropped and I have tied the bows here into knots. I don't know how else to tie it. So it really looks pretty. Let me show you the back. It's like this, it's simple. Yeah, so that's it. The second one is this one. This is a cute ribbed top. It has some ribbed detailings here, see these lines. This is also really soft and I got this in the size S. So let's try it on. So this is the yellow top. Pretty cute peplum style top, I guess. Flared at the bottom and at the sleeves part too. So this is how it looks. Let me show you from the back. The same as the front. The next one I'm wearing actually currently, this top. This is a full sleeve top. I will show you by standing, and this is in the size 38 and it's really soft and so comfortable to wear. So this is how the shirt looks after wearing it. It's slightly baggy. So this is how it looks from the back. I'm wearing it with a high waist jeans. The jeans isn't from Only, it's from H&M. So yeah, it's really comfy. Next is this cute ribbed crop top in neon pink color. It's my favorite one up until now. It's really stretchable and it will hug your body. It's pretty cute. I don't know why this color is appearing like that on screen. I got this in the size S and let's try it. So this is my favorite piece and it fits me perfectly. The color is appearing a bit dull in the screen, but in real life it's really pretty. So yeah, that's how it looks. Oh my god, bag is hanging. So the next top I have is again in a yellow color top. By now you have understood like my favorite color is yellow. So this is a pretty cute peplum top and the details at the back is amazing. Like it has a small cutout here and the tie-dye strings here. You will see it when I wear. So it's in the size 36. So this is the last top. This is the yellow one. The main attraction is the back. It's really pretty back. And it also fits me perfectly. Next I got this top again in yellow, a dark yellow color I think. It's also a shirt, 3/4 sleeves with little ribbons here. It's a pretty cute shirt with hearts. There are hearts made on it. And I got this in the size 36, which is I guess small, or I don't know. It's 36 in size. So let's see. Next I got this jeans. It's in the style flared jeans. It has like ripped detailing here, and the bottom there is this cutout detailing, and it's in the size 27. So I'm wearing this yellow shirt with heart patterns with my jeans from Only. I'll show you the jeans in a few minutes. Just wait. This is the back. This is how it looks like. It's really pretty shirt. Wait, I'm showing you the jeans now. So this is how the jeans looks. It is up to nearly my ankles, and it's mid-rise, just below my belly button, and it fits perfectly. It's really prettily flared at the bottom, and it's not like those skinny jeans. It's really comfortable. It's fitted up to here and then it starts flaring. So yeah, it's a pretty jeans. The last piece is a dress by Only. It's also in yellow color. I have got so many yellow items. It's actually gifted to me. It's a long dress for me, I guess, because I am on the shorter side. So it's really lightweight, and the material is, what is this material? Georgette type of, I don't know. So this is in the size 34. So this is the dress from Only, the one and only dress I got. It's really lightweight, like literally I can't feel anything. So this is really pretty. It comes up to nearly my ankles. It shouldn't have if I was a bit taller. I am on the shorter side. I am nearly 5'3". So if you are tall, it will come up to your knees. But for short girls like me, it will go near your ankles. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's really a great dress for wearing in this fall season, autumn. It's really pretty. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys find it helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment down below, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update. That's all. Bye bye.